Hey guys, today I am making a peanut oats punch. You have a cup of peanuts, a glass of water, bottle of Guinness, a cup of oats, condensed milk to sweeten, and about a tablespoon of vanilla. Also, here we have a pinch of nutmeg grated in our mixture. We're gonna just combine all these and blend. Here we have our ingredients in the blender. You're just gonna cover your blender and blend. After you've completed blending, and this is dependent on how you want your peanuts. If you want your peanuts to be chunky, then you just blend for a few seconds. If you want it really fine, then you can blend for about half a minute. And here you have your finished product. This is really creamy and nice. Just add ice and you're good to go. Or you could have blended your ice in to make it nice and creamy like a smoothie. Happy cooking, guys.